Good morning guys, welcome back to my grammar channel. This is Hema. In the previous class I have completed up and down. Today I am going to start a to and from, very important and very easy. To, it's indicate the movement in the direction of something. She walked to school. So here it is showing the movement and showing to walk to which direction she is walking. She walked to the school. My friend goes to market. So again here it's showing where the friend is going. It's showing the direction. It's showing that she is going to the market. We are going to Paris. They gave money to shopkeeper. So to is basically used for the direction from the movement. So from, it can shows the movement started from the starting point and end to the other side of the destination. So for example, I came from Raichur. So here the movement is taking place from the Raichur till the end of the destination. My friend is from Canada. So here it's showing the friend is from where she is. She is from Canada. She walks from the market to the park. So here in the same sentence I have used from and to. See, she walks from, here showing the where the movement has started from the market and where it is getting end to the park. So sometimes from and to can be used in the same sentence, showing the direction from one side to the other end of the destination. The bird flew from the tree. So basically from and to is used for the direction, to is used for the direction of the movement, and from is used for the starting point to the other end of destination. I hope you got an idea how to use a from and to in the sentences. So I hope you got all the ideas of preposition time, preposition movement, preposition of place. If you have any doubt, you can go back to my channel and just see the video and clear the doubt. But please practice the preposition so that you can improve writing the sentences and using the preposition. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.